In this quick video, I will show you how to transfer USDT to P2P on Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Then once you have logged in, go to wallet here and then click overview. So you can choose your wallet here, and if you have your funds in fiat and spot wallet, click here, and if you have your funds in funding wallet, click here. But since I have my USDT in my fiat and spot wallet, I will click here and then click transfer here, click here, and click funding. So the funding wallet is just the same as the P2P. So if you want to sell your USDT using P2P trading, make sure that you transfer your USDT from fiat and spot wallet into funding wallet. So for example, I'm going to transfer the maximum amount of USDT I have. Click here and click confirm. Go to funding here. And now you can see that I have transferred my USDT to P2P. And if you have any questions about how to transfer USDT to P2P on Binance, leave a comment below.